So now let us see what are the different classifications of polynomials based on degrees and terms. Classification of polynomials. First, let us classify polynomials based on degree. See, as we know, the power of variable in a polynomial is always a whole number, so which gives us a very clear interpretation that the degree will always be a whole number. So consider a case when the degree is equal to 0. Degree equal to 0 means what? Say for example 2, 5, 7. What is the degree here? Can I say 0? Why? Because 2 can be written as 2 into x to the power of 0. 5 can be written as 5 into y to the power of 0, or 7 can be written as 7 into x to the power 0. Whatever variable I assign here, the power of that variable will always be 0 here. Hence, the degree is 0. Such polynomials are known as constant polynomials. First case. Second case, when the degree is equal to 1. For example, say 2x, 5y, 7z, etc. Because see, the power of the variable is 1, hence it has degree 1. Such polynomials are known as linear polynomials. Another example include 2x minus 3, 5y plus 8, all are linear polynomials. Third, we have if the degree is equal to 2. For example, 4x square minus 9x plus 2. Fine, the highest power of the variable is 2, hence this is a polynomial of degree 2. Say only 5x square or 7x square minus of 8 all come under the category of second degree polynomials. If a polynomial has degree 2, it is known as quadratic polynomials. Third thing, if the degree is equal to 3, for example, 7x cube minus 5x square plus 4x minus 8, or 8x cube, or say 9x cube minus 4, or say 10x cube plus 8x, all these come under the category of the polynomials with degree 3. If the degree is 3, it is known as cubic polynomial. This is how we classify polynomials based on degrees. Second classification is done based on number of terms. Or precisely based on the number of unlike terms. For example, if the total number of unlike terms is 1, if the total number of unlike terms is 1, it is known as monomial. You say unlike term or term, if it is a case of one term only, it is just single term and it will be known as monomial. For example, 4x, say 5, 7x square, 5y cube, 2x to the power of 8, etc. all are monomial because they just have one term in it. Second thing, if there are two unlike terms, if there are two unlike terms in a polynomial, it is known as binomial. For example, 7x square plus 5, 5y cube plus 7x square, 7x plus 8y to the power of 8. All of these polynomials have two different terms, two unlike terms, hence they come under the category of binomial expression, case of polynomials. Third is if the total number of unlike terms is 3, then it is known as trinomial. For example, 8x cube plus 5x minus 3, 4y cube plus 7 plus 6x, all are the cases of a trinomial. Polynomial in general means poly means many and nomial means terms. So polynomials means an expression which has many terms. So all of these come under the category of polynomials, and starting from degree 4, 5, 6, you can generalize it by saying it is a polynomial. But 1, 2, 3 you can consider as monomial, binomial and trinomial. This is how we classify polynomials based on terms and based on degrees.